be real, student life, it isn't cheap. Between books, late night snacks, and surprise expenses, your wallet is probably crying. But what if you could make money on the side without quitting school or working long shifts? I'm not talking about scams or super technical stuff. These are beginner friendly real ways that a lot of people have made money from as a student. If they can, so can you. All you need is a bit of consistency and willingness to try. Here are 5 legit methods, ranked from the most chill to the ones that can make some serious money. Let's get into it. Number 5 is selling random photos online. This one is low key underrated. Okay, you can literally sell photos from your phones. No fancy camera, no fancy location needed. Just regular stuff like your cup of tea, a messy desk, or just even the street outside your window. I know it sounds weird, but brands, bloggers, and even content creators are always looking for real, natural looking pics. Not everything has to look like a photo shoot. Your random stuff might be exactly what someone else needs. And the best part, you only have to upload it once, and you whenever someone downloads it, you get the money again and again and again, even while you sleep. What you can earn really depends, but it's usually between 10 cents to $2 per download, and sometimes more if it's a rare and creative shot. The best app to try in this is Fope. If you upload like 10 or 20 decent shots and tag them properly and stay consistent, it slowly adds up. It is a super satisfying. It is super satisfying to earn while doing literally nothing after the upload. Then comes number 4, voiceover work. You use your voice and get paid. This one's a hidden gem if you've got a clear, calm, or even unique voice. You can get paid to do voiceovers for YouTube channels, explainer videos, podcast intros, audiobooks, or even mobile apps. It's all remote, and most gigs don't need a fancy studio. Just a decent mic, or even your phone, and a quiet room. The best app you can try in this is Fiverr. Fiverr. Some jobs pay even 20 to $100 depending on length and quality. And once you build a little portfolio, it gets easier to book work. It's perfect for students who don't want to be on camera but still want to get creative and earn on the side. The next one, dropshipping. This is one of the best. You have to sell things without owning a store. It's like running a mini online business. Basically, you sell products online without ever touching them, without ever having them. I just like to list items on a website, and when someone buys, my supplier, the one I'm taking the products from, directly ships it to the one buying from me. No packaging, no shipping stress, and no need to keep stock at home or anywhere else. I just manage the website, product listing, and customer messages. It takes a bit of learning though, like figuring out what kind of products sell, like the niche, how to make your store look good, because that matters a lot, and how to promote it on TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube. But once you get it, it becomes kind of fun. The best platform you can try on is Shopify. In the beginning, most people earn around 50 to $300 a month if they are consistent, of course. This one takes hustle and patience, but it teaches you a lot about how online businesses works too. Number 2 is selling digital notes or worksheets. If you're already making notes or solving past papers, This one's a no brainer. You can literally upload your study materials and sell them to students who need help with the same stuff. It could be notes, summaries, worksheet, exam guides, even just your method of how you study. You upload it once and it can keep selling forever. Some people price their stuff at a few bucks. Others earn per download or per view. Depends on the platform. But I recommend you Stuvia. This is the best one you can get, you can try on, and maybe even earn 20 to $200 a month or even more. Especially if your notes are for tough subjects like law, medicine, business, or international curriculums like IB or A levels. If you're already studying hard, you might as well make your notes work for you. Number one, you can earn the most from this. This is freelancing, my favorite, and the one that makes me the most money right now. If you got any skill, literally any skill like writing, editing, graph design, coding, translating, video editing, even just making good PowerPoint slides, there's someone out there willing to pay you for doing it. You don't even need to be a pro. You just need to be better than the person hiring you, obviously. That's it. That's simply it. Top platform you can try on is Upwork. At first, you might need to offer low prices or take on small jobs to get your first few good reviews. But once you build that trust, it gets super easy to grow. New freelancers usually earn around 50 to $200 a month when starting out, but it can grow really quickly to $500 and beyond once you get into the rhythm. The best part, you work from wherever you want, control your own schedule, and get paid in real money, not college canteen credits. So those are my five real ways I have made money as a student: freelancing, selling notes, dropshipping, voiceover work, and selling random photos online. They are all free to start, don't need crazy skills, and they build over time. You don't need to do all five, just pick one that feels right for you and give it a proper shot.